Where is the next opportunity in the painting world? Well, I want to share that with you because it all comes full circle. I'm Ron Ramsden, DYB coach, also painting contractor for the last 20 plus years. Well, for the last 4 years, real estate market has gone crazy. And I bring this to you because I have a lot of experience in this, only because I've been a painting contractor for over 20 years, but I also hold a real estate license and an investor. So in the last bunch of years, but not the last 4, really good real estate agents needed our services. The last 4 years, not so much. If you're familiar with the real estate world at all, the last 4 years, if you put a house on the market, and I don't care if you had shag carpeting and green fixtures, it was selling over asking price for the last 4 years. Interest rates were 2 and 3%. Well, right now they're over 5%, and we're looking for a 0.75% increase right now. So we're looking for a lot more inventory on the books. Redfin, some of you might have heard of that as a big real estate company, have actually said the inventory right now has hit levels that hasn't seen in years, and it's only building from there. So how can we be part of this change? Well, what it is when, as more houses are on the market, good real estate agents are going to need our services to get these houses ready for sale and to sell faster than the other ones, and also for the most money they can get. Like I said, the last 4 years, put it on the market, it's going to sell. You probably know somebody who bought something that needed a lot of work or sold something in a day. Well, what you want to look for is to align yourself with a real estate agent who sells a lot of property. Not the agent, and this is not saying anything bad about an agent who maybe closes on 5 to 8, 9 properties a year. Well, they're not going to assist you. And the reason why is when they get a listing, they're happy to get the listing, and they're not always in the driver's seat of the listing to tell the homeowner, you have to spend $10,000 to get your house sold faster and for more money. They're usually happy just to get the listing. But if you look for a really heavy hitter or a real estate team who is selling 25, 40, 50 transactions a year, when they list the property, they will go into their seller and say, before we list this, this needs to be done. If you want to get top dollar, or if there's a lot of inventory, if you want to get it sold sooner. And those realtors have a lot of clout in the industry. And those realtors aren't afraid to tell the homeowners that. Now, pricing this, a couple things you have to watch out for in this time is that people don't want to spend money when they're selling their homes. So what I would suggest is have a price per day. Painter for a day, we suggested it in previous videos. Have a price that's going to make you money, which is your regular price, be it $4.99, $5.99, $6.99 a day. Comes with a painter for 8 hours, a truck, and minimal supplies, caulking tape, plastic, things like that. And then you can add on your primers and your paint. Also, what we used to do is we charged the homeowner if we got to the home and they didn't know the paint colors and we had to run out to match. That was part of their 8 hours. A lot of the realtors will be able to provide pictures with you. They'll call you and say, hey, Ron, I need a foyer painted. I need this touched up. I need all the trim in the house touched up. And what I'll say, well, we can give you 2 painters for a day. It'll be 16 hours. It's $6.99 a piece. You're looking at about $1,400 plus supplies. I don't even have to go out there. The realtor knows you. They trust you after a couple projects, and that'll happen. Some things you'll have to go look. Also, you're going to find that they need it done sooner. They want to get the house on the market. And what does that mean? You're going to be able to have to respond. That is the downside in a market where we're short-handed. So price it. Do not discount the price. Price it as you would. Maybe put a premium on it because you have to drop something else to take care of these realtors. And what you're going to find if you start working for a larger real estate company, be it Keller Williams, Remax, or whoever's large in your company, one realtor will tell another realtor who will tell you another realtor. And we quite often had multiple jobs in 1 week for different realtors. So anyways, this is going to be a big opportunity moving forward where you'll be able to get your price. Do not discount the price. A lot of these homeowners either moving to assisted living, if they're older, they don't want to spend any money, and they're not going to be clients again. It's a one-hit wonder for some of these, so you have to get your full day's pay for these clients. So realtors are going to be a huge opportunity moving forward. I'm Ron Ramsden, DYB coach. You got this.